Ginagawa niya sa buhok ko. Anak, suklayan mo ako, nak. Suklayan, sinusuklayan niya ako. Tinan mo. Hindi niya nakikita yung sarili niya. Seryoso. Seryoso. Wala pa yung ate namin. Kanina pa kami nagantay. Nung unas kayo uuwi yun, may pasok bukas. Seryoso naman yung bata. Malungis pa yan siya. Kaya mamaya pa ito magbibihis bago matulog. Yan. What happened, anak? Why there's no sounds? Ayan na. Come, Mama's here now. Come, Mama's here. May galit yata. Come, Mama's here. Thank you for coming. You look so cute, anak. Oh, you're so cute. Are you cute? Is that... Wow. Who told you you are cute? Ah. Buti na lang may duman. Ang sakit ang ulo ko. Naumpog talaga. Look at mommy first. Who told you you are cute? Mommy told you you are cute? Yeah? Are you cute? Oh, my baby, Ana. Si, bye-bye to them. Si bye-bye, Tata Shots. Oh, don't put that in your mouth. Give them a kiss. Give them a kiss. Bye-bye, Tata Shots, anak. Don't put that in your mouth, anak. That's dirty. Can you say bye-bye to them? Bye-bye. Yan na. Anak, don't put in your mouth. Can you say bye-bye to them, nak? Bye-bye, Tata Shots. Thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, Tata Shots. Wait, my phone, anak, my phone. Say thank you for watching, mga Tata Shots.